Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to open Tally zip files. Tally data is frequently compressed into a zip archive, making it convenient for sharing and backup. Understanding how to properly extract these files is crucial to accessing your financial information. We will cover using both your computer's built-in tools and popular third-party applications. This guide will help you quickly and efficiently get your Tally data ready for use, ensuring a smooth workflow. To begin, let's use your operating system's built-in tools, which are available on most computers. First, navigate to the location where your Tally zip file is saved. Right-click on the file, and a context menu will appear. From this menu, select the Extract All option. You will then be prompted to choose a destination folder for your extracted Tally data. After confirming your selection, the system will create a new folder containing all your Tally files, typically in just a few seconds. For more advanced options, or if you frequently work with compressed files, consider using third-party software such as 7-Zip or WinRAR. After installing your preferred application, simply right-click on the Tally zip file. You will see a new option in the context menu, usually named after the software, like 7-Zip or WinRAR. Select the extraction command, and you can then specify a destination folder and even apply advanced settings. These tools often offer faster extraction speeds and support a wider range of archive formats. Once the extraction is complete, the next step is to locate your Tally data. Open the destination folder you selected during the extraction process. Inside, you will typically find a subfolder named with a 5-digit number, such as 10000 or 10001. This specific numbered folder holds your actual Tally company data. To access it, open your Tally software, go to the Select Company option, and then browse to this newly extracted, numbered folder to load your financial information.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.